What up, y'all? It's RexMakesBeats back with another sneaker review. Today, I've got the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V2 in Tephra colorway. This shoe is made up of premium suede and nylon mesh material. This colorway is a gradient-like design, going from a dark charcoal gray at the midsole up top to a lighter gray. They come with a light gray oval-shaped rope laces. The inner liner is a light gray nylon mesh material. The gum outsole gives it a pop of color, aside from its mostly tonal gray colors. It's also got the herringbone pattern traction, as well as spots that expose the white boost material underneath. It's got reflective 3M at the lace loops, the toe, the midsole, and the back heel. Overall, it's a dope colorway and one of my favorite 700 V2s to release. Surprisingly enough, resale on these aren't doing that great. They're going for about $20 over retail. This is probably because they released so many similar colorways, such as the Geodes. Not to mention, it already has a high retail price of $300. In my opinion, these could be an okay long-term hold for about 2 to 3 years if you're willing to wait that long. It's a dope colorway in my opinion, so they could see prices like the Inertias or the Hospital Blues, which are about $350 and above. I can see these hitting about $350 to $370 in the next 6 to 12 months. But there's always potential for these to break like the Geodes, which are now selling for below retail. Another factor to consider is the rumor that they're not going to make any more 700s. This could constrain supply and demand could pop, causing the prices of 700s to surge. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.
Ooh, I like this one, Rex.
This feeling I'ma give to you.